Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. In this particular video, let me initially give you an important urgent update that the notification for CAT 2025 are out. So dear ones, let's actually move ahead and talk about CAT examination in detail. Well dear ones, this particular examination is going to take place on November 30, 2025 across 170 plus cities. Talking about the registration window, well, the registrations are going to open from August 1 and the same will close on September 13, 2025. The registrations can be extended to near about 5 to 7 days more if required. The release of the admit cards will be on November 5th, 2025 by IIM Kozhikode because this year IIM Kozhikode is going to conduct the CAT 2025 examination. What is CAT and why does it matter to us so much? CAT is Common Admission Test and it is a national level entrance examination for top IIMs basically. What is the purpose? Obviously, it's a gateway to your MBA basically. So PG, Postgraduate Management Course, entrance exam for MBA, PG DM courses in IIMs and the top B schools, conducted by one of the IIMs on rotational basis, and it's actually accepted by 21 IIMs and 1200 plus top B schools across India, including FMS Delhi, IMT, IITs, MDI, SPJIMR institutes. Let's move ahead and talk about the eligibility criteria. The students who have done bachelor's degree from a recognized university or the final year students, they are eligible to give the CAT examination. Also, the professional degree holders, CS, ICWA or ICFAI holders, they are also eligible to give this particular examination. What are the minimum marks? 50% for the general category and 45% for the SC, ST, PWD categories. The work experience, it's actually not mandatory, but yes, it can be helpful during your MBA admissions and there is no upper age limit. Moving ahead and talking about the CAT exam pattern, the mode is CBT, computer-based test. Total duration, if I talk about 120 minutes, 40 minutes for each section, but yes, for PWD candidates, 160 minutes. That means 53 minutes, 20 seconds for each section. We do have 3 sections: verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative ability. So these 3 sections, if I just talk about, so 40 minutes each for the other candidates, but for PWD candidates, it's basically 160 minutes. That means 53 minutes 20 seconds for each section. Type of questions MCQs ही है and या TETA questions, type in the answer basically. Correct answer के लिए +3 marks आपको मिलेंगे and for the incorrect answer you are going to get a negative marking of -1. TETA questions में कोई भी negative marking नहीं होने वाली है. CAT का time duration section wise बता देती हूँ. So for the PWD candidates is 53 minutes 20 seconds for each and every section. Clear? Absolutely right. And 40 minutes for the other category students for each section. Moving here and talking about the selection process. So dear ones, after you have actually got your CAT score, so what I literally want to talk about is this year, since IIM Kozhikode is going to announce the CAT 2025 results probably in the 3rd or 4th week of December 2025. So after the CAT exams, selection for admissions into IIMs and other top B schools, it follows a multi-stage process. So after receiving your MBA entrance exam results like CAT we are talking about, you'll need to register and apply to individual B schools or IIMs that you are interested in. Each institution has its own application process, the deadlines and the selection criteria. So you'll typically need to fill out their specific application forms and may need to actually submit the additional documents also. Clear? Absolutely right. Chaliye. Talking about since after you have actually applied or you have filled the registrations form of the B schools or the IIMs individually, you will be actually shortlisted based on the CAT score, academic, work experience and diversity factors. Also, there is one particular round, WAT, written ability test or PI round or GD round. Okay, personal interview, group discussions. Okay, so there are IIMs that do not conduct the written ability test as the part of their admission process, like IIM Shillong, Jammu, Rohtak, it's Sambalpur, Bodh Gaya and Sirmaur. Clear? Moving ahead and talking about फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट, एक कंपोजिट स्कोर जो होगा That will be including the CAT score, your written ability test or the personal interview, plus academics, plus the experience, plus the diversity factors. Talking about the admission offers, the shortlisted candidates will be actually informed. That means the shortlist status will be released and waitlist move in the multiple rounds. Moving ahead, talking about the CAT 2023 versus 2024 section wise question distribution. The previous year कुछ fluctuation आया था question के number में, the total number of questions में. 2023 में the total number of questions was 66, but in the year 2024 the total number of questions was 68 basically. क्यों? Because there was a difference in questions in DILR section basically, data interpretation and logical reasoning के अंदर कुछ fluctuation आया था. In the year 2023 there were 20 questions. So in a way there were 4 sets containing 5 questions each. But in the year 2024, the previous year, there were 22 questions. 3 sets जो थे, they were containing 4 questions each, and the 2 sets were also there which were containing 5 questions each. Remember, in the CAT examination, DILR section जो होता है, there is no specific number of sets to solve. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको इतने sets solve करने हैं. But rather, I'll just say and ask, focus on accuracy and efficiency in solving and basically having a manageable number of sets basically. So a good target is to aim near about 2 to 3 sets in the actual examination. I'll just say on a safer side, 3 sets to solve करने ही हैं, okay, which can lead to a strong score. So इस साल, not this year, the previous year, you actually got 68 questions. And the reason was there was fluctuation in number of questions for DILR section. Let's move ahead and talk about the top colleges that accept the CAT scores. So overall, 21 IIMs हैं. So all the 21 IIMs, they are going to actually accept the CAT score. But yes, there are premier non-IIMs also accepting the CAT score. And over it's been mentioned, including FMS Delhi, MDI Gurgaon, SPGIMR Institute Mumbai, DOMS IIT Delhi, okay, XLRI, Great Lakes, IBS, etc. Moving here and talking about what CAT can do for us. It's basically a gateway to 21 IIMs and 1200 plus top B schools. International recognition accepted by global B schools. And these are ESCP, ESSEC, EDHEC, SPGN, Dubai / Singapore, Deakin University basically, okay. Now, high weightage in MBA selection, a 95 plus percentile can get you a call from an IIM, not an admission, a call from an IIM. Clear? Moving ahead and talking about the CAT percentile versus MBA college admissions. So, अगर आपका percentile जो है वो range कर रहा है 95 to 99 plus, so you are actually going to target the B schools like IIM, FMS, MDI Gurgaon, DOMS IIT Delhi. If you are getting a percentile range between 85 to 95 basically, so you are targeting the B schools as mentioned over here. Talking about if you are getting a score, a percentile range between 70 to 85, so these are the colleges you are actually aiming for, you are targeting for. Let's move ahead and talk about the CAT registration trends. Year-wise years, the registrations are actually increasing. The competition is actually increasing. In the year 2022, there were near about 2.55 lakh registrations. But in the year 2024, there were near about 3.29 lakh registrations. But among these 3.29 lakh registrations, the number of candidates that appeared in the examination were 2.93 lakh. So, an attendance rate, agar main yahan batau, it's 89% basically. A good percentage. Let's move in and talk about the CAT 2025 expected score versus percentile. Last year, agar dekha jaye, a raw score of 95 marks corresponded to 99 percentile. Okay? And 95 percentile was around 70 marks. Herein you can have a look. The maximum marks for this particular examination is 204. Remember this thing. Moving ahead and talking about who aces the CAT. Top scorers. 14 candidates scored 100 percentile, जिसमें 13 engineers थे and 1 was from non-engineering background. Gender background, you can have a look, and category distribution also you can have a look about. I've mentioned each and every data over here. Let's move ahead and talk about what you need versus percentile. So again, I'll just say 99 percentile, so you should have a marks of around 95 to 100 plus out of 204, as I told you already. Section wise target for 99 percentile. So in if I just talk about verbal ability and reading comprehension के अंदर, you should have a marks of near about 40. In DILR section 37 marks and in QA 33 marks. सभी 99 percentile के आसपास आप पाएंगे. Expected target percentile versus college style. So यहाँ देखिए, if you are scoring greater than 99.5 percentile, obviously you are aiming for the top B schools, IIM, FMS Delhi, SPGIMR. In between 95 to 99.5 percentile, MDI, XLRI and so on. In between 85 to 95 percentile, Great Lakes, okay, then it's VIT and rest you can have a look. Talking about if you're scoring between 70 to 85 percentile, here are the institutes you can target for. Let's move ahead and talk about the list of B schools with 98 plus CAT percentile. IIM Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Bangalore, Indore, Lucknow. Okay, if I just talk about one more thing, it's basically IIT Delhi also. Yes, IIT Delhi is also included into it. Also, I'll talk about FMS, the University of Delhi. Fine. Also, I talk about SJM, SOM, IIT Bombay. Let's move ahead and talk about the top B schools with 95 to 98 CAT percentile. IIM Shillong, Kozhikode, Rohtak, Ranchi, Trichy, Raipur, Udaipur, Kashipur. Let's move ahead and talk about the B schools. If you are getting a percentile range between 90 to 95, and here are the institute mentioned basically. Let's move ahead and talk about the placement insights. But before I just move on to the placement insight, I just want to talk about if you are actually not happy with your CAT score initially, then consider other MBA entrance examination like XAT, XAT, SNAP, CMAT, MAT, and explore the different B schools that accept these scores. Okay, so just don't demoralize. Talking about top IIMs, the report average packages, if I talk about, it's near about 34 to 36 lakhs per annum. And also the top offers is near about rupees 1 crore. Mid-tier and new IIMs, it actually average ranging between 20-25 lakh, and sector distribution at IIM Ahmedabad agar dekha jaye, consulting 142 offers were there, for finance 73 offers, and for marketing 48 offers. Now the placement comparison between the baby IIMs and the top private B schools. What do you mean by baby IIMs? So baby IIMs refers to Indian Institute of Management only, established after 2011. Okay. So which are relatively newer compared to the older ones. They are more, I'll just say, abhi to sirf they are newer na. So despite their recent establishment, these institutes are known for maintaining the same rigorous academic standards and teaching methodologies as the older IIMs. Okay. But if I talk about the placement consistency, I'm just comparing it up with the non-IIMs basically. So baby IIMs like Nagpur and Udaipur, they recorded 100%. Okay. Top private B schools, they are very consistent, 100% placement in XLRI, ISB, MDI. Top other private colleges are actually close to. Average CTC that has been offered by baby IIMs, it's near about 16 to 18 LPA. But if I talk about the other top private B schools, जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ mention किया XLRI, MDI, they are actually giving 26 to 34 lakhs per annum range. Highest performing institute near about 34 lakhs per annum. Top packages up to 70 lakh per annum at IIM Nagpur and 50 lakhs per annum at Ranchi. Talking about the top private B schools, 81 lakh per annum was actually there at SPJIMR, rupees 75 to 78 LPA for XLRI, and rupees 60 lakhs per annum for ISB and MDI. So if I just compare between the baby IIMs and the top private B schools, if you actually want to actually have a stability in a life, and if you're comparing that baby IIMs and the top private B schools, I would rather suggest you that you can have a lookout for the top private B schools, since they are actually offering a good amount of packages, isn't it? I know there might be something in your mind to have a tag of IIM, that's the other thing. But if I'm doing this particular comparison, I'll actually suggest you to go for the top private B schools. Okay. So now talking about fees and duration. See, more years of batch establishment. Okay? So, but smaller cohorts and lower fees if I talk about the baby IIMs. But yes, if I talk about for the top private B schools, their fees usually ranges between 20 to 30 lakhs for the 2 years. Except ISD, the 1 year fees is 35 lakhs. And it's just because of the higher placements. Now that you have all the crucial details about CAT 2025, the dates, competition, the percentile requirement, let's talk about the most important part of your CAT journey. That is the preparation. The right strategy and resources can make all the difference in achieving your dream percentile. So whether you are aiming for a top IIM or a premium non-IIM institute, starting early and focusing on key areas is essential. The key to crack the CAT lies not only in the hard work but also in using the right study materials and practice resources. To give you an edge, we have curated a set of expert-approved ebooks that are specially designed to cover all the important areas of CAT preparation. These resources will help you stay focused, track your progress, and ace the examination. Let's take a look at some of the must-have materials that can help you actually level up your CAT preparation. So, talking about initially CAT mock test series. That includes 20 sets, questions with solutions. So dear ones, unlock your potential with our CAT mock test series featuring 20 full-length practice tests designed to replicate the real CAT exam preparation. With detailed solution for every question, this series is perfect for boosting your speed, accuracy and time management skills. Regular practice will help you identify the weak areas, refine the strategies and build confidence for the actual exam day. Talking about the second thing, past 10 years CAT question papers with solutions. So, you need to master the CAT exam with the past 10 years CAT questions paper with solution. This essential resource gives you the access to real exam papers, allowing you to familiarize yourself with the question patterns, difficulty levels, and key topics. By practicing these papers, you will sharpen your time management, enhance problem-solving skills, and gain valuable insights from detailed solutions. So whether you are aiming for a top percentile or just strengthening your preparation, this is a perfect tool to boost your confidence and improve your performance on the CAT examination. Now, introducing our ebook listing page, a comprehensive collection of all the essential study materials for your CAT exam preparation. Whether you are looking for practice questions, topic-wise guides, expert strategies, or mock tests, our ebooks cover every aspect of the CAT syllabus. With resources for quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, data interpretation, logical reasoning, and more. You'll find everything you need to refine your exam strategy and boost your performance. Each ebook is crafted to enhance your understanding and help you track your progress. Now, people, dashboard, if I just talk about, get the real-time exam experience with the mock test dashboard. Simulate the test environment and track your performance to boost your confidence. If there's anything else you need for your CAT preparation, let us know in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you and help you with more resources to boost your preparation. Dear ones, announcement that I want to make over here is that we people are excited to announce that we'll be soon launching our exclusive playlist, Ultimate CAT 2025 Prep, with strategies, tips, roadmaps for success, and it's packed with everything you need to ace the CAT examination. In this series, our expert Srinivas will walk you through proven strategies, helpful tips, and key insights that will help you tackle every section of exam with confidence. Whether you're looking for expert tricks to master quant, improve your DILR scores, or tackle VARC, we have got you all covered. Plus, we'll be diving into time management tips, last-minute strategies, and advanced techniques to help you target the 99 plus percentile. So get ready to subscribe and stay tuned. This playlist is coming your way soon and you won't want to miss it. Let's make your CAT 2025 prep journey a success together.